Finally. Seems like I've been waiting for years.
You're big.
Yeah. Not as tall as I am.
I know.
So they finally came. Oh man. Okay, I'm just gonna get into it right now. It sounds like lug nuts. Let's see. Probably be easier with a knife. It's a nice day. How am I even gonna get these down?
It's gonna be a good workout.
Yeah, that's for sure.
We have green and red stripes for Christmas. Early Christmas present.
I can hear the beads in there.
Ooh, heavy?
Yeah, heavy. Only I see the wheel. Nobody else. Oh shit. Okay, everybody else see the wheel too. 26 by 14 Archon off-road. Archon Caesars. I think Archon just came out with these too, in this size. And they're going right on this.
It's gonna look sick. And there it goes.
Just a little bit bigger than stock size. It should fit once I install my leveling kit. I feel so weak. I can barely even lift one time. 26s are a lot bigger in person than they are on Instagram. You want to take this one down? Thumbnail time. Thumbnail.
Or that.
Yeah, one of those. Does it look good? Oh, it sure does. If you can see that, it looks like the spokes actually are a little concave.
Yeah, that's true, they are.
That's definitely a 1550 tire. I was a little disappointed last time when I had the 33 by 1450s on the 6.4, the red 6.4, because it didn't seem like they were a true 1450 width. This seems more like it's true to its size. I might just be the first person to be filming these new wheels. think the driver said that the total weight of all this was like 601 or 603 pounds. I hate it when I see any little speck of dust. It makes me think it's a bad scratch.
Is it a scratch?
I don't know. These wheels, of course, due to being Archon off-road wheels, they are true directional. You can see you got the two that are cutting right now, and then the two that are swooping back here. That way when it's on either side of the Suburban, it's not going to look all funky on one side going down the road. It's not going to look like these hideous pieces of shit. Now, just for reference, if I were to compare to the size that's on it now, if I can even do this with one hand. This, right, like so. I just need to do a little bit of trimming, I think. I can run it stock height, no problem. What is that? Oh yeah. There you have it. 26 by 14, negative 81 offset, Archon off-road on 38 by 1550 Furies. This is definitely going to require a very large lift kit, which is just what I have. Full throttle suspension, 15-inch lift. This is going to be insanity. Absolutely insane. Look at the size of these shocks. This just doesn't even make any sense. Oh man, every component on here is just so huge, just massive. This alone probably weighs 60 pounds, but it's gonna be sweet. It's gonna look cool, and it's gonna be real slow, and I'm gonna love it. All right, got the Suburban over there, and got the truck all loaded up. I'm breathing heavy now because all this stuff's heavy. But yeah, I got the 4 tires, wheels, and the cab's pretty much full as well with lift kit components. Got the shocks, got the cross member, all the arms. Even the passenger seat is full of stuff. And I'm ready to hit the road. Crazy to think that in just a couple days, that Suburban will look nothing like it does right now. All right, let's go. This is the last time that we're gonna see the stock Suburban. Should I just hit her? Look at the itty bitty wheels. So cute. Ooh, that one's clean. Just pulled up into the shop. Look at that bad boy over there. Woo! Okay, so I just pulled up, parked in the wrong spot. But check out some of these trucks here. That one over there is what I'm gonna have to go see. And we got this clean ass one right here. Straight up off-road is the shop, if I haven't mentioned it already. I'm gonna have to show you guys some of these. That one's wicked as hell. And I got the work truck cranking around, clanking around. Look at that. God damn. These trucks are insane, guys. I came in to the shop. They're installing the lift right now. 15-inch lift. And it makes me feel like I'm getting a leveling kit installed. 30 by 16s on 44s. Oh man. I'm so jealous. This is Dirty Mac's Texas Hold'em. The other clean ass build. The wheels are 28 by 16 on 42s. I have the smallest setup in the whole shop. Maybe one day. I can't even get the trucks in the whole shot, they're so big. I believe that's a somewhere around 22-inch lift, and then judging by the gap guards, it has a body lift as well. I'm not sure what size. Absolutely insane. These guys work on all kinds of badass builds.